Hi YouTubers and fellow subscribers, fellow YouTubers. I'm here to tell you, for all the people that is expecting me to have a Pokemon card opening tomorrow, my Pokemon cards are not coming in, unfortunately, and it's because of Wish. For all the people that watch me, and I think in one of my videos I said that Wish is great, it's all cheap. Do not trust them. They steal your money. I was supposed to get my package today and it never came in the mail. So it steals your money. Do not trust them. Yeah, it's been supposed to come in, but they keep changing it. So they're a bleep. But who cares? That's really what I wanted to tell you too. And also, I think I'm hard banned or permanently banned for Pokemon Go. But I'm not sure, so that's just how I'm doing so far. And thanks. I'm still sorry for how many subscribers I have. 5 subscribers, you're awesome. Everybody that watches it, please drop a thumbs up, smash the thumbs up button. Please smash the thumbs up button. I want at least 15 likes on this video. It's a lot. It's 15 people. 15 people have to like the video, but it doesn't matter. And please subscribe and comment down below what your favorite part about this video is going to be. And